We got something in the middle. We got something in the middle. We got something in the middle. If you know, then you know. Okay, so you know you see this sticker. You already know what the business is. I already cut it open, but I haven't opened it up. Oh, what could it be? You can tell I'm excited, man. Okay, hold on, let me stop. Oh, okay. Okay, first of all, let me see what this say. Oh, this just a receipt. This just a receipt. Let's unwrap it. Let's unwrap it. Let's unwrap it. Let it unwrap it. Get it. Dang, it's long. Get it. Get it. Oh, what could it be? Oh, what could it be? What did I get in the mail, baby? I'm excited. Y'all know I'm excited. So first of all, I got these Galaxy Buds. My camera autofocus sucks. I don't know what's going on. There we go. These Galaxy Buds. Two. Okay. Got a little kiss ace. You know what I'm saying? With the ring. And the star of the show. Ooh. I say the star of the show. Ooh. Look at the star. Oh wait. Yes, baby, that's a Z. Yeah. Flop. Game over. Am I gonna open this up for y'all? I don't even know. Hold on. Gotta get my trusty scissors. Yeah. Hold on. You know my trusty scissors are a little cheap. They came from the dollar store, so don't judge my life. Judge your mamas. Ow. Yeah, that didn't do a thing, y'all. That didn't do a thing. I'm sorry about any background noise. I'm washing dishes. I didn't know it was going to come this early. I thought it was going to come a little later on today. But it was like, it been on the truck since 3 in the morning. So I'm like, since 3 in the morning. But he still ain't doing the things. I'm like, man, since it been on the truck there early, I should get it early. And I showed it. Oh, hold on. Now this is do your thing, save the earth. Oh wait, hold on, I'm gonna let it slide out. Oh wait. I ain't even ready to take the plastic off. I'm gonna take the plastic off. Girl, bye.